Hello and welcome to our video tutorial on how to add a logout block to your website. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the simple process of enhancing your site with a logout feature. We'll start by opening the website section where you want the logout option displayed, then search for the table of logout block, and finally insert the block's logout block. Let's dive in. Now that you've added the logout block, let's customize it to match your site's needs. Use the alignment options to position the logout block, left, center, right, or justified, based on your page layout. Change the button text for logging out. You can rename it from logout to something like sign out or log off as needed. Edit the text shown when the user is logged out. Customize it to say login, sign in, or anything that fits your site's tone. Enable this toggle to display the user's avatar next to the login/logout buttons for a more personalized experience. Toggle this on to show the user's display name when logged in, great for membership or community-based sites. Choose where users go after logging out. Options include the current URL or a custom page like your home page or a goodbye screen. Set where users are taken after logging in, whether back to the current page or a specific dashboard or welcome page. Let's customize the Style section of your logout block. Click the Style tab to begin. Under Background Color, click the box, pick a color. Next, in Label, adjust the text color. Then, click under Typography to tweak font settings or leave as is. Once you've customized everything, click Save to lock in your changes. Now hit Preview to see your logout block in action. Looking great, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more tutorials.